Alright, here's the video on the Harrison lathe. It's stock number 30085. We're in the noisiest range, which is 250 RPM. Take it down. Speed ranges on either side of that are 200 and 315. We're going to switch down to 200 and we'll run that. There's 200. Very quiet, very nice. Now we'll run on the other side of 250, which was the 315. Also very quiet and very nice. The other bad range is 63 RPM. We're going to run that for you. And on the other side of that is 50 and 80, so we'll run those two for you also. This is 50. Also nice and quiet. And 80. Also quiet. The rest of the ranges are all good, no problem. As I said, the headstock looked very sound, gearing all looked great, bearings are good. Really didn't see any problems, except we just can't get those two ranges quiet. Thank you, let me know.